What's going on, guys? So real quick, I want to give you a little bit of an update on my bike. I've done some work to it, and I can't think of everything I've done. There's still stuff that needs done. Like it needs a lower shock mount bearing on the rear. It's shot pretty good. In a second, I'll pull up on it and let you hear the noise. Like, it's pretty bad. And then just, some other small things. But to start with, I got these handguards on here finally. I bought these for the 125, rode with them one time, and then got rid of it. And of course, the 125 had 7/8 bars, and these are incident 8. So I took a file and filed them down. So that took a while. The seat cover on the bike was tore. It was an aftermarket seat cover. So I bought this one and put it on, and it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's centered up well and all that. And it's actually good and tight right here. It's got a few wrinkles in it. But the foam was broken down so much that it folded over. So there's a little bit of a lip right there, but don't bother me too bad. I put new exhaust gaskets on it. It needed that. I've got brand new Kenda Millville 2s, front and rear. They mounted the rear one in the soft direction. Some of you probably know this tire can be mounted two different ways. It's directional. One direction is intermediate, the other one's soft. It's mounted soft right now. Fresh packing in the exhaust, fresh air filter, brand new oversized radiators and hoses, brand new Polysport louvers. The bike didn't have any. I don't know what the guy before me did with this thing, but I swapped off of Dylan's 2000 part bike that he swapped the engine out of into 2008. I actually swapped his lower triple mount and the whole steering stem and bearings, because the steering bearings in this one was shot and his were good. So swapped those over. I'm thinking that's about it. I took the foot pegs off his bike. The ones that were on this one were completely shot. They were bent up and folded in, and straightened the shifter out. It was a little bit bent. Like I said, just some small things. So that's basically it on my bike for right now. I would like to take and get some fresh plastics and graphics for it. Actually, I'm going to. It's just, when I do it. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to that. And then should have some really awesome clips of Dylan's bike coming up. So what's going on, guys? So this is the 08 that we swapped a 2000 motor in, if you couldn't tell. Got some new handguards on there, looking pretty good. And if you haven't noticed, he stripped the graphics off of it.
They were so nice too.
They were really nice. They were brand new 2 years ago.
But they didn't say my name. So.
And wrong number and
wrong
logos. What? Wrong logos. Anyway, so he's getting the rest of the adhesive off now. What adhesive remover are you using? That works really good.
It's called, what's a good word for it? Gas.
No, it's crap. What is it?
Oh, you want the chemistry name?
No. It's
like 2 years ago.
What's it called? Petrol.
Petrol.
He's using petrol. Yeah, petrol.
It's called Get Her Done Liquid.
Get Her Done Liquid. So anyway, we got some fresh new graphics over here. Just let you take. Oh no, gonna make you wait till it's on the bike. We're really excited about this. I'm gonna hopefully have soon I'll hopefully get graphics. Get them on my bike. I'm gonna get some new plastics, I think, too. So give y'all an update in a little bit. Joe's here.
So
tell him he should race his 4-wheeler. You don't have to win. We're not gonna win. You just have to race.
denied.
Are you gonna race a 4-wheeler? Joe's racing 4-wheelers. It's official.
Dude! Yeah, when your season start, come on. You know what? That didn't even hurt.
I know. That Right and Wrong turned out so good.
It's update time.
New graphics.
New graphics.
New bike.
Shout out to Stickman Graphics in Irwin, Tennessee. They do a really good job. They'll work with you too. It took a while to get these straightened out and stuff, the logos and whatnot, but as you can tell, these things look freaking sick. Turned out great. I'm excited. I don't have graphics for my bike yet. I'm still going to order in some new plastics. So I'm extremely jealous right now of this thing.
Still haven't done the front forks though. That's probably going to wait for another day because it's late. We might do it though. I just got to clean them up. I got to work in the morning.
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Got a washer? That's got a washer. That's got a washer. That's got a washer. Okay, how did I end up with one more washer than I need? It started first kick while he was upstairs using the bathroom. So, we'll see if it'll do it again. I need to be careful and not hit my head up here.
Please do. It'll make a great video.
I felt my boot scrape across my graphics. And I'm really upset about that just now.
Alright guys, so that's it for this little very probably short video. There's not a lot I mean, he bought graphics and we put them on. So there's not a lot to, you know, show or go over, so.
Oh, coming up next, my water pump.
Jesus.
My water pump is leaking out the weep hole, so probably...
Hold on, we gotta start that all over.
Oh, wow.
It was zoomed all the way in.